My mom told me to get it fixed. Her order is
inevitable.
let's do this. This water pump is running absolutely fine for more than 7 years. Recently she complained that when she turned it on it smelled like something burning. This thing is really heavy. Here I was turning it in the opposite direction. Okay, that's a mess. I'm gonna clean it. Usually these pumps don't get broken down easily. Here my work is done and let's get it to the workshop so they can see what's wrong with it. Wait for part 2.